How to add your signature in Gmail. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can add your own signature in your Gmail. So let's start. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Gmail, your inbox, and then what we need to do is we want to add our signature in our Gmail. That signature will be shown in all of our emails, or if you want to add your signature in your legal documents through your Gmail, you can do that as well. So to create a new signature, what you need to do is you will find this option right here, settings. Click on settings, and then you have to select see all settings. It will open up a new window where we get all of our settings for our Gmail, and in here we will get the option to create a new signature. So it will be the same on your PC and mobile phone. You just have to scroll it down, and once you scroll down right here in general settings, then you will find the option of create signature right here. You can see right here signature, and in here we can create new signature. Simply click on create new, and now we have to add a name for which we are creating a signature for. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a name. Let's say I want to create a signature for Hana. Then I'm gonna click on create. So this is my name. Now what I can do is I can go ahead and type in the name here, and I can change the font. So we can go with this font right here. All of the fonts are available. So you can go with another font if you do not want to go with a default, font and typing. So I'm gonna go with this one. Now let's select it. You can also make it bold if you want to. You can make it italic. If you want to, adjust the size, then you can also do that with Control plus Shift. I'm gonna make it italic. Then we have underline option available, and we have different colors for the underline, and we also have a text color. So if you want to change the color of your text, let's go with blue. And for underline, I'm gonna go ahead, and if you want to underline it, you can go ahead and do that. Again, we can also change the background color too. So then we have image option, and we also have other alignment options. So this is going to be my signature right here that I've added to my Gmail, and you can simply click on create new, and then you will simply click on enter, and your signatures will be saved for this name right here. So to create a new one, you will simply again click on create new, and once you have created the signature, then you can select that if you want to use this signature for your new emails or for your replies, and this signature will be automatically added for your replies and your emails that you will send. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.